Hi, we're students from Dove Science Academy, and my name is Victoria Velez.
And my name is Ana Hernandez.
And our project is water suspension.
For this project, you will need a mason jar, screen mesh, scissors, laminated paper, towels in case of spilling, a bowl, and a pitcher filled with water.
The first step into doing this project is cutting the screen mesh to where it fits the opening of the glass mason jar, and then screwing the lid of the jar back onto it and sealing it shut like this. And then you grab your pitcher full of water and you pour the water into the jar. You then grab one of your laminated index cards and you place it on top of the jar and you flip it over. You then slowly remove the laminated index card from the jar.
Suspension is a type of heterogeneous mixture where the solid particles do not dissolve in a liquid solution. Many different scientific principles are used when trying to make the water pure to be suspended in the jar. The force that holds the laminated card into place is from the pressure exerted by the surrounding air, which is known as the atmospheric pressure. The pressure of the air molecules pushing up on the card is more weight than that of the water pushing down. Surface tension is the reason the water is allowed to stay in the jar even after the card is removed. The molecules of water are joined together because of the force of cohesion, which works from a narrow membrane in each opening of the screen. By tilting the jar or touching the screen, you are breaking the surface tension, which then leads to the water pouring out.
For the first week, we had to talk to our teacher about choosing a project. We then did background research on our project. On the third week, we answered 3 main questions over the importance over STEM SOS. On the fifth week, we went into depth explaining the scientific principles behind our PBL project. We also created 4 investigation questions for our project. In the SS component, we found out that water suspension was first discovered by U.F. Grant in 1962. The technique was used in what is known to many as a Chin-Lee water suspension. This is a magic trick where people are fooled into thinking that the water is actually floating, but in reality, the trick is an illusion. The science behind the trick is called surface tension, in which the water is able to be suspended in the jar. It doesn't work alone, though. The cohesive forces between liquid molecules are what lead to the event that we now know today as surface tension.